Hey, this is Ralph shooting a quick video on why I prefer being an affiliate marketer to a social media influencer, and also share a few thoughts on how you can actually do both at the same time if that's what you want to do. But a lot of people, they start out, they want to make money online, but they're not really sure how exactly to go about it. And a lot of people, they dream about, you know, getting money coming in by becoming a YouTube video creator, or being a creator over on X or over on Facebook, or any platform that will essentially pay them for creating content. And what you find, if that's the route that you want to go down, what you find is that in order to qualify, you have to have so many followers, so many impressions, so many views. The bar to entry is actually kind of high, and this will vary from one platform to the other. What I love about affiliate marketing, in contrast, is that the bar to entry is quite low. If you want to get started, you're eager to learn, you are teachable, you are coachable, you're open to learning new things, you can actually get started right away in a lot of different programs and opportunities. Just find an opportunity, a program that speaks to you, that looks solid, that feels legitimate. Do your research, check them out, and then apply for membership. A lot of times you can get started that very same day. Go through the quick start training, find out what the best practices are, learn about the affiliate plan and things like that, and then just get started. A lot of times you can join it one day, get out there marketing the very next day. Some people go out there and start marketing the exact same day. And if you're willing to learn, if you're coachable, you can actually figure out what you're doing and start making money, fairly quickly for some people. Other people, it's going to take them a little bit longer. Results are not typical in this industry, but once you figure out the right way to do it, you can actually get started and get going in it pretty fast. By contrast, being a social media influencer, it may take you months. In fact, it may take you longer than just a few months to get up to the point where you get monetized. And then after you've become monetized, it's very easy on some of these platforms to lose that monetization. I know over on X, there's a lady that came out the other day and said she had been demonetized for months. And she started posting about it, saying, "Hey, Elon, what's going on?" I shared her post, as well as did a lot of other people over on X. Today, she's saying, "Hey, I got my monetization back." And it's like, sometimes the rules are so difficult to understand on these platforms that it's very hard to get monetized, but very easy to get demonetized. With affiliate marketing, depending on the company that you join, the affiliate marketing plan hopefully is pretty darned simple. Sometimes they can be very complicated, and I stay away from companies like that. But if the affiliate marketing plan is pretty simple, the rules are pretty simple and straightforward and don't change over time, and there are companies that are like that, they like to keep things consistent across the board, then yeah, you can figure out what you need to do and then start doing it. And as long as you're keeping yourself up to date in the various changes in the online marketing world, like changes to Facebook, changes to YouTube, changes to X, and what they will allow, what they won't allow, well, then you can usually keep up pretty easily and be making money. Now, when it comes down to a question of should I be a social media influencer or an affiliate marketer, I would like to add this to the mix. You can also become both if you want to. You can most definitely get started out as an affiliate marketer, promoting your affiliate marketing offer out there on social media, while at the same time trying to build up your following, trying to build up your impressions, trying to build up your metrics so that you can also get monetized on that platform as well. So you can get started as an affiliate marketer and at the same time be working towards your monetization on Facebook, YouTube, whatever. I am on a very interesting path right now. Several months ago, I found out that I was monetized over on Facebook. It's not something that I actively pursued. I did go ahead and click over to Professional Dashboard, and that was enough to get the monetization process going, and found out that, yeah, I am monetized over on Facebook. It's nothing really to write home about, but I am making a couple of bucks every month. And essentially, what they're doing is they're paying me to promote my affiliate marketing offers. You can't get much better than that, can you? So, yeah, you can absolutely do both if you want to. But if it's a question of what should I do to start making money as soon as possible online, should I be a social media influencer or an affiliate marketer? I would suggest taking a good look at affiliate marketing offers out there. Find something that resonates with you, something that is honest, something that is legitimate, because yes, there are some good offers out there and there are some outright scams as well. Avoid the scams, focus on the legitimate offers, find one that looks right to you, and then apply and start marketing it. And if you want to do both, because in affiliate marketing, if you're going to be doing it through social media marketing, you do want to get building up your audience. You can get started affiliate marketing with no audience, no followers, but over time you do want to start building up your following. So what you need to do in the beginning is learn how to talk to people on social media who seem to be perfect prospects for your offer. At the same time, not being too spammy, not being spammy at all, not being too salesy. And you can start making sales with a very small following, but you do want to be building up your following as you go along. And so, yeah, you can absolutely be selling an affiliate marketing offer and at the same time getting yourself monetized on the social media platform of your choice. So it doesn't have to be an either or question. In the beginning, I started looking at it like an either or, but it can be a both and too. And yeah, you can get yourself monetized on other platforms while building up your affiliate marketing offers. And affiliate marketing offers, there are many different ways of promoting. A lot of people will just default on the social media marketing way of promoting an affiliate marketing offer. And that is a good thing to do. But if you're not very savvy when it comes to social media marketing, if you're more comfortable talking to people in the face-to-face world than you are doing it online and doing it on social media, you can absolutely get started in affiliate marketing just by going out into the real brick and mortar world and talking to people one-on-one about your business, about your offer. I know a lady down in Mexico City, Conchita Vargas Lugo, who decided to get into network marketing, a form of affiliate marketing. She had no experience online. I think she had sent out a few emails. That is really about her entire experience. She decided she wanted to build up her network marketing offer, and she did in 2 months. How she did it is that she went down to the corner grocery store each and every day and started talking to people in the grocery store about her network marketing offer. And she had a really good gift for talking to other people. She was able to do it in a non-spammy, non-threatening, non-pushy way. And she began to build up a huge downline in her network marketing offer. Matter of fact, within 2 months, she became a double diamond director in her company. Now, that's something that is definitely not average. It's way above average, but it just goes to show what you can accomplish if you're just willing to talk to people about your business. So yeah, if you want to get started in affiliate marketing, you can certainly do that. If you want to get started in uh, becoming a paid content creator or social media platform, check out the platforms that are out there, find out what their rules for monetization are, be prepared to jump through each and every one of those hoops, and then you can get going. Now, if you want to take a look at the affiliate marketing offer that I promote, you can look in the description down below. I'll have my affiliate link down there. But it's an affiliate marketing school that pays 80% recurring commissions. We got 3 different levels that you can join at: a $10 level that pays $8 recurring commissions, a $25 level that pays $20 recurring commissions, and a $125 level that pays $100 recurring commissions. It's a really great group of people. I've been with them for a couple of years, pretty much just learning how to do the affiliate marketing thing a whole lot better. And now I'm really starting to pull out the stops and promote it as an affiliate. But if you'd like to take a look at it, see if it resonates with you, again, that affiliate link is going to be down in the program description below. So this is Ralph signing out. Have a great day. Thanks for dropping by. Please remember, if you got some value out of this, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll be back later with future updates. Till then, take care and decide what you want to be in life: social media influencer, affiliate marketer, both, or something different. Let me know in the comments down below. Catch you later. Bye-bye.